Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to delete an on and off remote and reprogram it along with a continuity and voltage test. For right now we're going to delete our remote, and to do that step one is to use the delete button to the far right. So we're going to press and hold. It'll be intermittent. We will press the top on button. It'll go continuous, confirming it's been deleted. We're going to press delete again and hold. Back to intermittent. We're going to press the second button down, the off. It stays intermittent, and that's supposed to. We're going to let go of delete. Press delete again. Press the third button down, second on button. You'll notice it went continuous, so we're deleted. And then one last time. Delete. And the last button. Alright, that is step one of deleting. Step two of deleting is you're going to use the delete button. You're going to press it firmly once and release, and quickly press again and hold. We should get intermittent until it turns continuous in about 5 seconds. So, one, quickly press the second time, it's intermittent. Alright, now we have successfully deleted, clean slate. You'll notice the remote does not work. So, to program channel 1, which is the top on button, for heater 1 or element 1, we will put the switch in the L1 position. Now we are going to use the far left button, which is set. We're going to press it once firmly and release. You'll notice the very first light labeled IMP will come on. It will disappear. Important at this point to wait 10 seconds before moving on. Step 2. We're going to use the set button again. We're going to firmly press and release once, and firmly press and release a second time for the second light, which is labeled on and off. That one will again go away, and we'll wait 10 seconds. Now we're going to program channel 1, which is L1, your top on button, back to the controller. To do this, we're going to use the middle button, which is memory. And you're going to press and hold until you hear the beep. Release, quickly press again. It'll turn intermittent. And again, you'll wait 10 seconds before trying to test. But we can move on. Now we're going to program L2, which is your second on button, into the controller. And you'll repeat those steps. The set button one time firmly, wait for that light to go out. And wait 10 seconds. Step 2 is the set button twice now. Press it once firmly, press it twice firmly. That is the second light. Wait for that to go out. Wait 10 seconds. And now we will do channel 2, which is L2, and the second on button. Again, you press memory, release, quickly press again, press your on button, wait 10 seconds. Now, before we do any more testing, let's make sure we hear our relays. Yep, 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 yep. Alright, so now what we're going to do is check for continuity on L1, which is ports 6 and 7. That could be heater 1 or element 1. And we'll check continuity on 8 and 9, which is L2, which could be element 2 or heater 2. So 6 and 7, solid, shows we got continuity. 8 and 9, solid, shows we got continuity. So now we know that our heater is good to go. We will change the voltage now. And we're going to check our in voltage coming in, which is the load, ports 1 and 2, showing that we have approximately 238. So now we know we got voltage coming in. We're going to turn our heater or elements on. That's 1, that's 2. Check voltage on 6 and 7 for channel 1, and we get a little drop, but approximately 220, and then 8 and 9, L2, which is a little low again, but approximately 220. That means our heater is working at this point. We could turn that off. If you have any other additional questions, please reach out to us at serviceusa@bromic.com or give us a call at 800-301-1293. Have a great day.